go of the loneliness you feel. 'Cause I know that you've been trying so hard. Don't you know it's alright? For just a little while, 'cause it made us feel alive. Can't belong together.
What's up, you guys? If you're new here, my name is Angel. Welcome into my world. If you're a returning subscriber, what is up, my babes? Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a great New Year's Eve coming into the new year. I hope you guys celebrated. Kind of recap. I kind of did a recap the beginning of my 2022. I didn't show everything, but 2022 was very up and down for me. I'm not gonna say it was like a bad year, but it definitely wasn't great. But I'm expecting big things for 2023. Like, I need it to be
sensational.
So I seen that all the girlies have been making digital vision boards, and I know back in the day they used to like cut out stuff from magazines, and I wasn't into that. So what I usually do before the new year start is write everything down in a book, like my journal, and write down the list of goals that I have. But this year I wanted to do a vision board, and I'm like, okay, here's my vision board, and I'm just gonna talk about it. And I'm also gonna do like a life update because a lot of new things came for me in 2022. So first thing that's on my vision board is, God. This year I really want to grow spiritually. Sad to say, I've never read the Bible all the way through. Like, no, I know verses, I've read chapters, but I've never read it all the way through, like from cover to cover, like. And that's one of my goals. I'm gonna read it this year, and I'm gonna be quoting scripture, period. And I just want my prayer life with God, because honestly, none of us would be alive without Jesus, okay? Thing is money, okay? Just like I'm about to be abundantly flowing spiritually, physically, I want to be abundantly flowing. So this year I really want to explore passive income. Like, I dream of being an entrepreneur, so that might come this year. I don't know. I just feel like I need to jump out there and do it, and just get my feet wet. That's just how I feel. I also want my garden. Like, I'm a garden babe, okay? So I know some people might find that to be boring, but like, I'm out here about to be growing even more vegetables and fruit this year than I was last year. Like, it's about to be bigger, okay? More abundant. Like, that's just gonna be my word. Like, this year is abundance and restoration. So anything that was taken from me, I'm getting it back, okay? So I put a plane, as you see, on my vision board because I do want to travel this year. I definitely want to go out the country. I've never been outside of the United States, and I just feel like it's that time for me to spread my wings and fly. I am getting into my health and fitness. Like, it's time, babe. It's time, okay? I joined Orange Theory. I'm still doing that. I'm doing it twice a week. I think I'm gonna up it to 3 times a week, but I also want to start doing like some weight training. But I really do love Orange Theory. You guys definitely should check it out. No promo. I just like it, and I want to do some other things like train for a 5K. Like, I just feel like this year is my season to like put myself first, and that means my health. So if you haven't noticed, I did quit telemetry about 8 months ago, and I haven't posted, and I do still have some vlogs stored up, and I want to get those released. I also want to do a couple more education videos, but I'm kind of sad that I quit. Like, I kind of miss it. Like, I still have my connects at the hospital that are asking me like, are you gonna come back? And I'm like, I kind of want to, because the money was the money was pretty. But I don't know, guys. I just I may go back part-time. I don't know. But as of now, I also quit my HR assistant job, and now I have a new job, which is the executive assistant in the communications department for the Department of Health. So I'm still doing health and medical type stuff. It's just very administrative. And look out for those vlogs because honestly, I have a very unique job to myself that I just never thought I would be doing. So I want to share that with you guys. So stay tuned for that. But job, we're coming up. Yes. Really want to start doing my natural hair. I mean, this is like half natural and I like to do natural styles, but I just think, you know, black hair is beautiful and we need to embrace like our beauty. So I want to definitely start wearing my hair and do a lot more natural style. What did Beyonce say? That I have on there is school, guys. You know, last year I went back to school to get my master's in public administration. I'm supposed to graduate this year and I pray that I do. Like, guys, I'm doing an accelerated program, which is supposed to just be a year, and I'm not even gonna lie, guys, it's not easy. It's been kicking my butt. Like, I didn't even want to go back to school really, but I did it because it was gonna offer me more opportunities, more money, and so I was like, okay, let me get my master's. So I'm supposed to graduate this year, and whew, that will be a degree well earned, because I don't know how many nights I was up till 4 a.m. completing assignments and then having to get back up for work at 7 a.m. Like, y'all better hand me my degree and y'all better give me my raise. That's all I know. But I put a ticket on my vision board, and it's really because I want to continue to experience new things, like go out. You know, I did go to a concert by myself last year, which was a horrible concert, but like I just want to continue to have different experiences. And a lot of stuff that has been holding me back is because all of my friends have moved out of West Virginia, so it's literally like just me. But I'm not gonna let that hold me back this year. Like, if I see something that's fun, I'ma go. Because before it was always like, I'm going with my man, or you know, I'm going with my friends, I'm going with my family member or something like that. And I'm gonna just start going by myself, because I'm not about to miss out on experiences because I'm scared. Okay, we're not doing that no more. The other thing is, I put food on there is because, guys, I have a very basic palate. It's not like basic, but it's like kind of basic. Like, if I know what I like, I'll just stick to that, and I don't really venture out and taste new things. Like, and we do have restaurants here that I would consider exotic. Like, we have Vietnamese food, you know, stuff like that, and I have never tried it because I'm like, there's a burger place over there, I'ma just stick with a burger, and I need to stop doing that. So yeah. The other thing I didn't put on there, but you know, I want to continue to get my apartment together, guys. It's still a work in progress. I'm gonna continue to update you guys, and I can't wait to do a full furnished tour of my apartment, because baby, my apartment is cute. Like, I don't know about y'all, like, I feel like it's cute and nobody can tell me nothing, okay? So that is pretty much it of my vision and kind of like a life update. But I pray that 2023 is nice to me, and I pray it's nice to you guys. But as of right now, I got stuff to do. I hope you have a great year. I hope you have all the blessings that you want to come to you. But as of now, guys, stay tuned. The vlogs are about to be coming back to back or whatever. I'm about to be consistent with this YouTube. And I will see you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that your girl is out here, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, about to catch another fight. The apple bottom make them wanna fight. I just wanna have a good night. Just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know that no. If you broke, then you gotta let it go. You could have anybody, any money, go. When you a boss, you could do what you want. About to catch another fight.